Hello, I'm making one of my favorite salmon recipes. This is a very simple and easy salmon recipe, and you can use a variety of different ingredients to achieve this effect. So I am going to first cut the fish into butterfly slices. This is a 1 pound piece of center cut Coho salmon, and I'm cutting it into thirds. Each one of these 1/3 sections I'm going to cut down through the middle, but I'm not going to go all the way through the skin this time. And then I'm going to flip it around and make it so that it's a butterfly. This is a nice recipe for presentation. It's also a very fast and easy way to cook salmon. Because the pieces that you're cooking are only 1/2 inch thick, they'll cook in about 8 minutes. So you're going to do 4 minutes on each side. First you're going to salt and pepper your butterfly salmon fillets. Adding a little bit of oil to your pan. This is olive oil. Use any kind of oil you like. I particularly like saturated oils, but olive oil is also nice, and for the purpose of this demonstration, it's convenient and handy. I put 1 chopped mushroom and 1 chopped clove of garlic into the pan. My flame is on medium-high heat. And as these vegetables saute down, we're going to continue cooking them, and then we're going to add the parsley, the dill, and a little bit of lemon juice. Garlic have begun to soften and become golden brown. I'm going to add the shallot. You can add the shallot with the garlic and the mushroom. I was chopping it, so it's just something that you do in stages. You're mincing, you're dicing. But have everything basically ready to add to the hot skillet all at one time so that you don't overcook your garlic. And then once everything is nice and golden and soft, you're going to mix in the herbs and the lemon juice. So we have a pinch of parsley. It's a nice big, maybe 3 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley, and the juice of 1/2 of a lemon. That all up. And I'm just going to push it right off to the side. And then our fish are going to go in there, and we're going to sear the fish off. A little bit more oil. Lay our butterfly fillets down. Salt and pepper the other side. I'm going to let these fillets cook for 3 minutes on each side at medium-high heat. And you can put a little bit of the mixture across the top of them. Get that flavor going throughout the fish. Cook for 2.5 to 3 minutes on one side. I'm going to flip them over. I'll move my sauce off the top of them so that they lay flesh side down. And I'm going to take the remaining sauce and I'm going to place it on the top of the fillet. Until all of my chopped, sauteed herbs and vegetables have been used and are on the fish and no longer on the bottom of the pan. This is cooked for 2.5 minutes on the other side, you're ready to plate it up. Ready to serve.